Okay, I'm super excited for today's unboxing. Let's see what this AI voice agent can actually do. Here's the box. Sleek, modern branding, AppSumo style. Popping it open, we get a quick start guide first. No hardware here, just a QR code for instant setup. All right, let's scan and jump right into the dashboard. The interface looks clean and really user-friendly. Setting up my business info took under 2 minutes. Now, time to test the AI voice agent in action. I simulated a customer call. Let's listen in. The AI instantly answered, super natural voice. It greeted my customer and asked how it could help. I tried booking an appointment, no awkward pauses. It handled the request smoothly, confirmed the slot. I purposely asked a tricky question next. The AI responded confidently, didn't get tripped up. Honestly, I'm impressed with how human it sounds. Let's break down the main features I noticed. First, it's available 24/7. Never miss a call again. That's huge for busy small businesses like mine. Second, it books appointments automatically. No more back and forth emails or phone tag. Third, it can convert inquiries into real deals. It even follows up with leads if you want. The AI adapts to your business hours and services. You can customize greetings and responses easily. I like that it integrates with my calendar app. Everything syncs up, no double bookings. For sales teams, this is a serious time saver. Service providers, imagine never missing a client call. Small businesses, this means more closed deals. I checked the analytics dashboard, super detailed. You see call logs, booking rates, and missed opportunities. Setup was honestly way easier than I expected. Support is available if you ever get stuck. I haven't found any major downsides so far. Just remember, it's cloud-based, so you need internet. If you're still using voicemail, it's time to upgrade. This AI agent feels like having a full-time receptionist. I'd recommend it for anyone handling lots of calls. Ready to automate your calls? Check out the link below. Don't miss out. Turn every call into a closed deal.